Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can share Instagram Reels through Instagram DMs. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to do to share these is, of course, you're going to select the reel that you want and click on the share button. After that, you have a couple of different options. You can send it as a reel through your Instagram DMs to your contacts, which appear when you click on the share button, or alternatively, you can also copy the link and share them to Instagram DMs by just posting the link there. Now you can do this for pretty much any other platform as well, but I'll be focusing on Instagram in this tutorial. So let me just go into my reels, find a reel that I want to share. For example, this one, click on the share button, and here you see some of my contacts, which I can just tap on and I can send it to them. I can select multiple and send separately, and I can also write a message which I want to be shared alongside that reel. Now, if you want to, you can just send it like that, or you can go ahead and copy the link. Now, in my case, I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to go into my Instagram DMs, simply to show you guys something, since I have this empty group, which only I am a part of. And as you can see, I already sent some links. But for some reason this doesn't appear when I click share, so my only option is to just paste the link here, and once I paste it, as you can see, it'll share itself just like any reel would. You can tap on it and view it. However, you can, as I've mentioned, send this to any other platform as well. However, what will happen then is they won't appear as reels, they'll appear just as a link, and when people press them, they'll be taken to Instagram, where they'll be able to view those links. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.